bunch of little joints around. So we just caught a nicer one. We're gonna get to it. It's cutthroat season, man. Me and my boy out here.
Yeah, it's going back. Throw him back. Ooh, nice release. It's like number 20. It's going right back in. I'm going to throw it back in over here. It's going back in. That's it, boys. What number is that, bro?
I'm the champ out here, me and my boy.
What number is that, bro?
Never seen anybody catch a fish before.
Well, you can see it. Go to Instagram. Check it out. Beach River Fishing. We in the building all the time. This is number we don't even know.
Big fish on deck, son.
Yeah, son. Let's release these joints.
Yeah, we're going to throw these ones back.
Oh, shit, little. Yo, look at the rod benders, son. Fatty, son.
Got the little rod.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh. Y'all lift them on this one. Alright, do the release, bro. Ooh, that's a nice one. What do you hit?
He hit the big joint like always.
Ooh.
Big lures, big fish. Step your game up, man. Let's get it. I'm releasing the wheel.
Where we going, bro?
We're gonna release the joint. Y'all boys is bad. Yeah, we savages. I got you, man. You got us?
Yeah, I got you.
Beautiful, right?
Beautiful release. Good release.